non-negotiable that I always have is the gym. This is the one thing that you can't skip at all. This is one thing that you need every single day. I usually do it low when it is a school day, so today I'm probably gonna go light. Besides like praying Fajr, besides prayer, this is the one thing that actually helps me get ready for my day. I can't really focus, or I can't. This is always in the back of my mind. Like I have to do some kind of cardio, I have to do some kind of exercise before I even get into any trading, before I get into any video editing, before I get into the work of the day. This is like basically the gateway entry to productivity. So. Also, another thing I like to do during my workouts, I know this isn't like conventional. I don't know if a lot of people do this. Let me know if you do, but I just like, I don't know if y'all see that. Like, I just like watching YouTube videos during when I work out, but not YouTube videos as in like, oh, Mr. Beast or some shit like that. Like actual productivity, something Islamic, something religious, something that boosts my productivity. Like, I don't know, my entire recommended on YouTube is stuff that will actually better me. It's basically self-improvement, religion, business, finance, all that stuff. So I like to watch that while I work out. So I'm basically getting information while I work out and not just listening to music. I stopped listening to music for a while. I went on like a detox. For music, and I saw that my life kind of got better by not listening to music. I went on a detox for every time I used to come to the gym, the first thing I used to put on is just really, really heavy music, really heavy rap, hip hop, but it's anything, right? But then as soon as I stopped that, I saw that my workouts have been getting much better. I've been way more focused in the gym, and instead of music, I like put on a video or like a podcast, something in the background. And for today got absolutely cooked. I forgot my AirPods at home. Bro, this shit sucks. It's like listening to like elevator music while working out. It's one of my boys' birthdays today. But I go get dinner right now. This is the fit for today. I went casual because it's 80 degrees outside and I'm not trying to wear something crazy.
Guys, what time is it? 6:14. It says 44 minutes away, but we're gonna try and make it there fast.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So we're on our way to the Vista Sky Lounge right now. We're about.
Is there a table for 5?
Is there a table for 5 available?
Alright, you're all set.
Okay. So 7:30, right?
Yep, see you then.
Okay. Thank you, man. Have a good one. Fit check.
Yo,
Fit check.
we fucking.
Yo, we fit check.
Getting ready.
Yeah.
Yo, we getting ready.
Doing a 360.
Damn, you guys are so drippy. Can you teach me?
Take a look at the place. Before, last time when we came here, this entire side was closed, but now it's all open. It looks nice.
You guys are cooked?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lobster roll right here. Shrimp tacos, calamari. Soham got the steak.
Smaller steak.
Smaller steak. We got this.
And I got the big fat juicy steak, baby. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it.
But yeah, I'm gonna eat. I'll like pick this up once we finish it.
Nice watch.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Is it real?
No, it's me.
It is?
Yeah.
It looks real. That's
I
why.
got it from Timu. Yeah, it was on sale.
I have the same one, the small one.
Oh, really? What color is it?
Huh?
What color is it?
Like, oh, inside is white. The other one is white. And it's smaller.
Did you get it off Timu too? Right now we're currently flicking up. My boy Sohan. Yes, sir. Nate and Andrew went to the bathroom.
He sent this to his girl. Bro, you can, like y'all would think this is just a regular schmegular pic. Got the fries, got the steak. Nah, bro. She peeped this out in the corner. This 2-pixel ass out. She peeped that shit. He equipped that shit for.
You don't need anything other than a press movement, a pull movement, curls, and lateral raises.
Bro, I was thinking once I got like
Taking the
I mean, bro,
lamp
I'm
ski
just
to
gonna buy
go to the gym, bro. The astronaut morning routine in the afternoon. This is no joke, bro. That's my first time in the sauna.
What's up, guys? We are just done finishing the gym in the sauna, and as you can tell, we're looking much leaner.
What the fuck? I feel like right here. That's my pupils. Try that. Just fall back and slap the mat. Slap the mat.
Stop it. But like,
Yeah. Well, like keep your arms like a little bit closer to your body.